In this video, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to make AI stickers on WhatsApp. To do this, you may need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version to use the AI sticker creator. If you have the current version, follow these steps. In WhatsApp, open the chat where you want to send a sticker. Tap the emoji icon next to the text box. Tap the sticker icon. Tap Create. Type text to generate the sticker and wait a few seconds. Select your preferred sticker to send. You can edit the text or tap the vertical ellipsis and try again to generate more options. Sent stickers are saved to your trays for reuse.